Hi, Jeff from the Floor Guys here. I'm just going to take a minute and show you how to use Pet Stain-eez on some pet stains and some odors. Just kind of a quick how-to. All you do is you take your Pet Stain-eez and you shake it up real well. This gets the probiotics and the enzymes kind of working together inside the bottle. Then all you do is you find your pet stains. These have been here for a while. We think an odor is coming from the bed. We're just going to spray it on there. Make sure everything is soaked. Hopefully you can see these stains. We're also going to spray the pet bed because it's going to eat away those odors there and it's going to make this house a lot fresher. We're going to come back in about an hour, maybe 2 hours, and these stains will be completely gone. It really is that easy. If you have stains on pants, the kids got into the grass, or you had blood, or you spilled wine on something, it's the same thing. Those are all organic stains. Shake up your bottle, spray it on the clothing, let it sit for about an hour, throw it in the wash, and it'll come right out for you. This stuff is amazing. We don't have to do too long of a video on how it works. It's just spray it, let it sit, do its thing, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Okay, so it's been about an hour since we sprayed Pet Stain-eez on these old stains. Let's go down and take a look and see how they came out. As you can see, they're gone completely. Here's the culprit. Here's our old dog that likes to pee on the carpet. These were really stubborn. What I did is I did agitate them a little bit with a clean, dry cloth and just kind of got them out of there. 9 times out of 10, just spraying Pet Stain-eez on there and walking away works. Sometimes it needs a little agitation if they're real old stains, but it's that easy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.